Hi, Paul here, Smart Home Sunday. I will get back to Home Assistant and the adaptive lighting, but I want to share with you a little realization I've had during the week. And it came about after doing last week's video on adaptive lighting. So last week I installed Baz's version of adaptive lighting, and he's done a bunch of coding and a lot of playing around with Home Assistant. He clearly knows what he's doing and has got a nice setup running at his house. And I was very interested to go and have a look at what his config looked like. And he has it on his GitHub. But what I found there was something that just opened my mind to something that I'm missing. So thanks, Baz. And this is what it was. The home automation guide for my love. This is exactly what everyone who's creating a smart home should create. It's the easy to understand user guide. And I actually think this user guide should be created before you set out to do any automation or do anything smart in the home. You know, if you can start to list out in clear sentences what it is you want to have happen in your smart home, well, then you know what you're building towards. And I have been installing things and have a rough idea in my head of what I'd like to achieve, and then go and buy some gear and play around. But have a look at this. I mean, this is great. If we go down to the automatic section, lights in hall, toilet, bathroom, kitchen automatically turn on, and it changes color depending on the time of the day. If it's in sleep mode, after you click the button in the app, so there's kind of a sleep mode, tell the whole house go to sleep, then these lights come on to a 10% brightness and in red. This is nice. An hour after you leave the house, everything just turns off and temperature, like heating, is set to low. Great idea. It goes on, and there's a few other fun things up here too. For example, one of those smart cubes programmed to do things like, you know, throw it up in the air and it'll start playing your favorite playlist on the speakers. That's an idea I want to steal with pride. Awesome stuff here, Baz, and thanks for the realization. I think what I need to do is I need to create one of these easy to understand user guides and understand what I want to have manually running and what I want automatic. This has opened my eyes. I wanted to share it with you. Have you got one of these already? If so, let me know. Send me a comment. I'd love to see if it's online. I'd love to read what you've got set up in your house in easy to understand terms, just like this. Go on, get to work. Do it now. I'm going to try and start creating mine. I'll share it with you when it's done. That won't be next week. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.